Hello, friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I am stopping by with some big news. I'm super excited to announce that I am going to be one of the instructors at the Kat Scrappiness Winter 2023 virtual retreat. This is the first time that Kat Scrappiness has done a virtual retreat, and so I feel very honored that I get to take part in that. I don't know about you, the holidays, they all mean something different to everyone. For me, let's be honest, I like the food. We all know that I'm all about eating. But beyond that, I really enjoy just having my family around. I feel like going forward, since many of you know I am an empty nester now, so going forward, having the kids home with their boyfriends and girlfriends and stuff, I just feel it'll be extra special. And as their families grow and stuff, I'm really excited about what the future brings for holidays. Um, there's a lot of information, so hopefully I have a list that I will read off. But if I forget anything, be sure to check down in the description box below. I do have all the information, all the links, everything you need to know about it. So this is a virtual retreat. It is open to everyone. It is free. How crazy is that? Free. So there is a link in the description box below to sign up. And you're like, why should I sign up if it's free? Well, you will be invited to a Facebook group where there will be some giveaways, maybe some special sales or, coupon codes and stuff. It's just a good thing to do. So you're in on all of the information. The date for this is December 3rd, 2023. This will be a pre-recorded event, but all the instructors will be in the chat because we're going to do it as a premiere video. And so during our time slot, we will be able to answer questions and all of that good stuff. There are lots of prizes, lots of offers. So yeah, you definitely want to join this. As part of this retreat, this is not required. You can use what you have, but there is a retreat bundle and it is super duper fun. So you get this Christmas glitter 6x6 paper pad. And if you've never used Kat Scrappiness glitter paper, it doesn't flake off. It's all just flat. I have used a lot of this, but it is gorgeous. It looks like glitter without all the mess. So there's that. You get this Reindeer Games stamp set. Oh, Reindeer Games Sentiments stamp set. Has lots of great sentiments that can be used on their own, or you compare them with other Kat Scrappiness stamp sets. You get this wonderful die set, and I absolutely love it, especially this big bow. I just seem to want to use it on everything. You have some pine cones, some greenery, some berries. Amazing die set. You have a Christmas shaker tinsel mix, which is, I really like it. It's like so different from a lot of the shaker mixes that are out there. And then there is this stencil, which is the Christmas sweater stencil. How gorgeous is that? And I like that since it has the deer in it, that these sentiments go right along with that. I do have a link in the description box for that. I also am super excited to announce that I have a little giveaway on this video. It will run through October 31st, and you have to sign up for the Kat Scrappiness newsletter and fill out the Rafflecopter giveaway form in the description box. And then I will announce that on my community page shortly after it ends on the 31st. So like the first, I'll announce it. So how fun is that? I also wanted to share, along with these products, you can add on all kinds of goodies, but, oh, I forgot to grab the dies. Let me grab those dies real quick. So I forgot to say, I'm going to be teaching tags. We all know that I love tags. If you're new to my channel, November, I will have a video up every day featuring a tag. So I thought it was perfect for a last minute to make tags. You can add them onto cookies or wine or presents, whatever you want to do. So the other thing that I really like from the Kat Scrappiness is the stitch scallop nesting tags. And I have lots of examples using those. And I will be using those in my workshop, but I am also showing how to do it without the tags in case that's just not something that you want to purchase. But I wanted to share that just in case. And then I also use some of the other Kat Scrappiness stamp sets. I have everything linked below. And I do have a few samples to show you. Let me move all this out of the way. So here is just a really simple tag, but oh so elegant and gorgeous, I feel. Just using that glitter paper, the bow, and the sentiment. It says Merry Christmas. I just thought that turned out amazing. And then I did make a little shaker tag using that shaker mix, that tinsel. It just turned out so neat. And then again, that tag set, Be Merry. Very, very simple, very easy, but it just is something nice. A great way to use up the scraps. Another tag, it's a little bit longer, Merry Christmas. This uses the Merry Critters stamp set. And then the last one example that I have is this one with the dress up quokkas and the ugly sweater add-on. And so I have that bow, I use those tags. I did edge it with gold embossing powder. I will be sharing that on my workshop on how to do that. And it says Happy Holidays. Another fun thing is that all the instructors are giving away 6 of their creations. So I will be giving away all 4 of these plus 2 more, and maybe more if I make more. But you'll get all these plus what we make in the workshop and 1 more. So that's super fun. We will be giving those away the day of the virtual retreat. So I think that I've covered everything. Again, if I didn't, or if there was so much information, everything is in the description box below. The key things, it's going to be on December 3rd, 2023. It is a free event, but you want to sign up so that you don't miss out on any information. I have a giveaway in the description box below for a $10 gift certificate to the Kat Scrappiness store. And you can win my tags as well as 2 more. And I'm super excited to make some tags with you on the 3rd. We will be using the stencil and just having lots of fun. And I really hope you can join us. There are 6 other instructors and I've seen their creations and you are not going to want to miss it. So thanks for stopping by, and I'm super excited for this. I hope to see you there. Go do something for yourself and go get crafty.